What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, and as you can see, guys, I've got my favourite guest, JSGC. He's on my channel once again, as we are doing the Halloween shots, 10 shots for Halloween.
It's back!
It's back for
By
another
popular
year,
demand.
by popular demand. So what the challenge is, JSGC will ask me 10 questions based on Halloween. Yep. So if I get it right, Jason has to drink the shot.
Correct.
But if I get it wrong, I've got to drink the shot. So what we're going in, we're doing it in strength order. So start from the weakest spirit right to the top. It's 75% of overproof rum. Then the very last one being a special
Halloween
shot.
based.
What's that?
Yeah. Cool.
Right. So should we do this, Joey?
Yes, we've got grenadine, sours cherry, Pessoa, Bailey's,
Jägermeister, Man City vodka, Black Sambuca, absinthe for me. You just love a little bit of absinthe. It's Halloween, it's absinthe time, get it out. Overproof 1151, and of course the last one is the brain hemorrhage shot.
Oh yeah, love it.
Yeah, it brings back fond memories.
Right, shall we roll this?
Yes.
Let's start. Question
Number one.
Starting off easy, we're going to get progressively more difficult.
Okay.
Halloween is the second largest commercial holiday. I think this is US based. What's first?
Surely Christmas or holidays, as they say it.
Correct. So I'm going to take a shot of grenadine. I'm excited for this because I like grenadine.
Yes, it's not even alcohol, it's just a sweet syrup.
And I enjoyed that.
I bet you did.
Okay. Sours cherry up next.
Okay. Question number 2, Joe. You read it out.
What date is Halloween on?
31st of October.
Correct. Right. Sours cherry. I'm not sure if I've ever had sours cherry before. Smells alright.
What do you think? It's a recent addition to the MixedSid collection, the sours cherry.
Not my favourite thing in the world.
Okay.
Ugh. No. No. Ugh. Not for me. Right. Question. Aaron's phone.
Fun. Oh.
Question number 3. What is the villain called in the film Halloween?
I think it's called Mike Myers.
I will accept that answer because his name is Michael Myers.
Michael Myers.
Yes,
No.
correct. I'll accept. Okay, so I want a shot of...
I only kind of knew that because I was watching it the other day.
Ooh, nearly got him.
It would have got me.
Okay. I'm not too sure if the next couple will get you. Right, we're on a shot of Pessoa.
So if you know your Pessoa, it's what's used to make porn-style martini. But by itself, what do you think?
There's a burning sensation in the back of my throat.
Can I taste passion fruit or no?
It tastes very sweet. It's nicer than the sours cherry. There we go. Right, question number 4. Which Halloween film has a clown called Pennywise in it?
It.
Correct. It's pretty straightforward. Right. Bailey's salted caramel.
I'm about to think though.
Ooh.
It's an interesting taste what I find this one.
Whoa.
So I think it's not as nice as normal Bailey's cream. The salt caramel, I thought, not too sure on it.
Yeah, I can see where you're coming from there. There's a bit of a...
It's that salt. It's that...
Bit of an aftertaste. Bit of an aftertaste. Right, question number 5, keeping things It related. Who wrote the novel It?
Stephen King, if it Munchausen for him.
Correct. Well done. Stephen King writing the very famous novel, It. Okay. Right, we're getting towards territory that I don't particularly like.
No,
I'm
sure you want me to start getting some wrong, so I start tackling some of those.
Oh!
Eating Red Bull.
Oh!
At the minute, 5 out of 5 for you. You're taking a little bit of a pound at the minute.
Oh! Oh! Right. Oh. Right, question number 6. Who is known as the friendly ghost?
Casper.
Correct. Don't worry, the next ones are much more difficult for you. Much more difficult.
So, the hard-hitting ones.
This might well be my last.
It is, but you can match those 3. We'll match all of these mixed together.
I'm not looking forward to this vodka. This is the Man City Bohemian brand vodka, which Aaron's told me is 37%. Just get it.
But it's alright if you're a Man City fan. Get it for your collection.
Oh, please don't get these right. I'm actually getting goosebumps.
You've done the 6, so yeah.
I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Right.
Well.
Number 7. History related. Where did the Halloween holiday originate from? Much more difficult now.
Salem. Is it to do with Salem? Like they're burning witches?
No. It's a good guess though. That's a really good guess.
No, I'm thinking the massacre that they had.
That's a really good guess. No. It originated from Celtic tradition. At the end of the harvest festival of Samhain, people lit bonfires and wore costumes to ward off evil spirits. In the 8th century, Christians incorporated some of the Samhain tradition as part of their All Saints' Day celebration on November 1st. And because they were warding off evil spirits, the eve of that was known as the Evil Spirits Day. And so the evil spirits come out on All Saints' Eve, which is also known as All Hallows' Eve.
Yeah.
Halloween.
I've heard about Hallows' Eve, yeah.
There you go, and that's where Halloween comes from. Right, shot time. There you go. Licorice Sambuca. Enjoy.
Dangerous Sambuca.
Enjoy.
With aniseed.
It's actually purple. I don't think the camera will picked up very well. It looks very dark, but it's purple.
It's like a purple colour.
Yeah, looking at the bottom. The glass, bottom of the glass will maybe. Oh, pick it up at the bottom there. Put that back. Fabulous. How was that? Not too bad. Okay. Question number 8.
Aniseed, like. Yeah.
Oh, I just had a big aftertaste then. Right, question number 8. In the United States of America, which state, more than any other, produces the most pumpkins?
Which state in America?
Mm-hmm. Real stab in the dark here.
God. Florida.
Illinois.
I would never go for that. I was thinking either Texas or Florida. I was thinking Orlando like that.
Oh! Absinthe time!
Danger. Green
All
furry
this.
time. So what's that? Let's hit Laffy. Laffy
Love
absinthe, 68%.
Love that.
Let's go. Does it match up to Pernod's absinthe, which I've got at the back?
Oh, I love these videos so much. I love these videos so much. Love it. I might not be loving it for too long though, because this next one is very gettable. The last one, no, you won't get it. But this one you might. You ready? We're going back to Halloween the film. The original Halloween film. What year was it released?
78, I think.
Oh no.
Oh no, you did not want that.
Oh no. Oh no.
That's the one thing you did want me since I watched it. Watched it 5 days ago on Netflix.
Oh no.
So you can get a different.
Look how big that shot glass is. What? I knew you were going to get this. Instead of gone, what? I'd have taken on that sambuca with licorice. Oh.
Well, I'll do a do with you. If you want to do the brain hemorrhage, I will leave that for last.
Oh. No, I'll do this one. We'll just get it done. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
So I've got Coke in there if you need it. Just out of the fridge. I'm not looking for some brain hemorrhage. Oh, I love these videos.
That is a heavy hitter.
You got Coke in the back?
Nope, I'm good. We're good. Okay, last question.
I think it tastes awesome.
Stephen King is Mr. Halloween, Mr. Horror.
Yeah, he is.
When's his birthday?
Oh no, I might as well just start it right now.
I want just the birthday, so the day and month. The year is an added bonus. If you get the year as well.
Christmas Day.
Christmas Day? Wrong. 21st of September, 1940. 47. Is wrong. Which means our Halloween special.
The brain hemorrhage shot.
That's now stuck to some of your
sticking to my cobwebs.
Let me show that to the camera. Look at that.
Yeah. It's just perfect for Halloween, isn't it? The brain hemorrhage shot.
That's perfect.
Yeah, so to make it, you put your peach schnapps
First,
and then you layer on a bit of. Then you layer on your Bailey's cream on top. And then you drop little bits of grenadine. Just drop it like that. No, fill it like a cap and just dip it in at a time.
one bit at a time.
It creates the brain effect. You can see that.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, I'm still getting that. I'm still getting that.
So here we go. The brain hemorrhage shot. Perfect for Halloween.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Happy Halloween, everyone.
Happy Halloween. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
That's a good catch, that.
I do like these videos. If you want to see more of these videos, just let us
Trouble
know
with
in the
Bailey's
comments.
is when you mix it like that. Oh, just
Gives a horrible texture. Horrible.
oh,
Looks
that
nice.
aftertaste.
Tastes horrible. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all again soon.
Thank you for. Yep. But don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more content like this, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video.
Cheers.
Cheers.